Okay.
Sir, why is not working?
Please go to our channel. Go to our classroom. Take a new tab on Google Chrome. So,
It's not working.
okay, just hold on. Okay, go to our chat. I have shared you the classroom link. Yeah.
Should I stop sharing first?
No, 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 no. No. Go to chat. Go to chat.
Oh.
Yes, there. Click there. Okay, then go to classroom.
Sir, did you receive my attendance? No.
Okay, let me check. Oh, not yet. Okay, first of all, go to the assignment.
This
Sorry, the class attendance. Yes, go to there. Click on it.
this one?
Yeah, this one. Okay, check this one. Yes.
It's not working. Why?
Can you you can work cannot be turned off after due to. Okay, time is expired. That's why. Let me extend it. Hold on. Mhm. Everyone should do this quickly. Edit. Hold on. Should edit. Okay, can you refresh your tab? Refresh it. Just refresh the tab. Bajan, are you there? Just refresh your tab.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just refresh your tab. Press Ctrl R at the same time. Ctrl R.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, good. Okay, then click hand in. Yeah, hand in.
Then
Yes. Okay, now go back.
okay.
Click classwork. 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 The third option on the top. Classwork. Yes. Then under assignment, yeah, click got it. Okay. Oh, sure. Assignment 2. Click assignment 2. You
I
have
didn't
already
submit.
submitted. Yes. Yeah. Then scroll down. Okay, what is wrong with this? Let's hold on. Classwork assignment 2. Okay. Click assignment 2. Scroll up. Please refresh the tab. Again, press Control R. Control
Okay,
R
sir.
at a time. Yeah. Now go to assignment 2. Yeah. Scroll down. Click view instruction. View instruction. Yes. Okay. Your teacher may not be accepted. Okay, no issue. Just click here. Just start. Yeah. Then click add or create your work. Yeah. Now upload the work, then submit it. Yeah. Then
Sir, I
file.
didn't complete. Only one of
Okay,
the
okay.
remain.
Okay. Whenever you complete, submit it. Okay.
Okay, sir. Should I stop
Okay.
sharing?
Yeah, sure. You can stop the sharing. So classwork. Okay.
Sir, I submitted my assignment, both of my assignment, but I cannot see right now in the assignment part.
Okay, okay. Just let me share my screen. I think I received your assignment. I think this one,
Okay.
right? This one.
Yeah.
Okay.
No. Yeah, Tamana Ayub. Yeah,
Yeah.
this one is mine.
Okay. So I received only two as students assignment. What is wrong with you guys? Uh side change layout.
Sir, can I say something?
Yeah, sure, you can say.
Um, I think that would be great if you give us some feedback on our assignments.
Yeah,
It's
I will.
possible?
I will give you the feedback. I am quite busy, that's why I will give you feedback
Oh,
as soon as
that's
possible. Don't
okay.
worry
Thank
about it.
you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. What is wrong with you, Hafiza? Where is my assignment? Then
Sir,
Rohab's
I
yeah.
told you before that I have
Okay.
problem with two of them, um, patch and content aware tool. I did others.
Okay. I will recap. What is wrong with you, Hadia Faizi? Where is my assignment? Morsal. Nilofer Naimi. What is wrong with you guys? Where is my assignment?
Hello, me, sir.
Yes.
Right. About the assignment, I'm so sorry because this is uh, the last week is my final test, and I had to be enough prepared for them. On the other hand, in the upcoming days, I'm going to pass the TOEFL exam, and I have to be prepared for that as well. My focus is just, I'm practicing these days, and I'm sorry about not handling my assignment.
Okay, I got your issue. Okay, whenever you get time, please do my assignment.
Yes, yes. I decided to recap the previous lessons, and then I
Mhm.
will do the assignment and do the same.
Okay, got it. Thank you. Okay, what is wrong with you, Nilofer Naimi? Rohab Kakar? What is wrong with you guys? Where is my assignment? I need my assignment. As I told you before, if you get 80% mark on the final exam, you will receive the certificate. Otherwise, you won't receive the certificate. And you know how much important certificate is for your career. Okay, let's get started. Okay, guys, do you have my Photoshop screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay.
So,
Thanks for your response. Okay, so let me recap my previous lesson. Yeah. Okay. On my previous lesson, we talked about the uh, content aware tool, which is crop tool. So if you are using Photoshop 2021 version, you have this option, content aware option. Whenever you select on crop tools, then you can expand it. Let's say this is my Control Z. Okay. So let me open my. Okay. So content aware tool means this is your image, right? Let's say I want to extend this image. Also, I want to add a part there. How can I do this? You can do this easily by the help of content aware tool. So just go here, go to your crop tools, then make sure that you have selected this option, then expand it, then just hit OK. It will add it. As you can see here, there is nothing. There is nothing. There is nothing. But if you click OK, so it will be added. This is the thing, content aware tool. And let me discuss about spot healing tool. So first of all, you need to download an image related to spot. Mhm. Yeah, for the night is easy. And the spot for the spot healing tool, this one needs to download a spot related image, a spot face image. And I always prefer you to download image from Unsplash. Okay. Hmm. Okay. So let me take the screenshot to save my time. Otherwise, you can download the image, right click on it, then save as. Okay, I'm just saving my time to take a screenshot. Okay, then Control B, paste. Okay, as you can see here, this is too small. So let me download the original one. Just click here. There are lots of spot. Okay, then free download. There is another website, Pexel, so you can download. And make sure that you have download high quality image, as I already told you. So if you're browsing Unsplash and Pexel, they will always provide you high quality image, which is copyright free as well. I hope you have idea about copyright. Then let me drag and drop. So you can just go here. Then you can just let me make a duplicate layer. As you can see, just drag and drop here. So to see the before and after, then let me go. Yeah, spot healing tool. Then you just need to click here. You may increase the size of your brush. Go to here. Okay, go to here. Then increase the size. Oh, I need more. As you can see there, it's removed the spot. This is pretty much easy. If we see before and after, this is the before and after spot healing. And also, okay. People, okay. Hafiza has issue with healing brush tool. So healing means, let's say I want to duplicate this eye again. So in that case, you can use healing brush tool. Okay. First of all, you need to collect the sample. So you need to press Alt. Whenever you press Alt, you will see your cursor look like this. This is one kind of targeted icon. So if I click here, so as you can see here, I have the copy of this eye. So if I draw this one, as you can see here, it will make another duplicate. As you can see here. this is another duplicate. So if you want to use healing brush tool, you need to select the targeted area by pressing Alt. Then you can start your drawing. So it will make duplicate. Is it clear, Hafiza?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And the next one is paste tool. So let's say I want to replace this place uh, with this place. So you just need to first of all you need to let me open another image. Okay. Not this one. Okay. So as you can see here, let's say I want to replace this place with this place. So in case you can use paste tool. So first of all, I need to select my area. So this is my targeted area. Okay, this is my targeted area, and I want to fill by this area. So you just need to first select, then drag and drop. It's done. Select, then drag and drop. It's done. Again, let's say I want to fill this one. Okay. Select and drag and drop. Don't worry about this one. We can fix this. As I already told you that healing brush tool. Let's say I want to fix this issue. So I can what should I do? I can select my targeted area, then I can draw this one. Uh, mhm. Let's increase hardness. Okay, Control D. As you can see here, I am now using healing brush tool to fix my issue. So let's say, as you can see here, I'm using healing brush tool to fix the issue. Let's say I want to fill this one. So you can do this by the help of healing brush tool, or you can also use patch tool to fix the issue. Let's select this area. Let's select this area and drag and drop here. Okay, then Control D. In that way, you can use patch tool. Is it clear, Hafiza?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's move forward into new topic. I also discussed red eye. If you're missing the previous lesson, you can go Femtech YouTube channel, then you can watch my previous lesson as well. We also talk about the color management mix tools, clone stem tools. We can clone. We also talk about, okay. Let's talk about eraser tool, which is pretty much easy. So close all, no. Okay, so okay, so this is my image. Let's say this is my image. I want to crop this one. So in that case, you can use crop tool. As you can see here, I'm cropping my image like this. So if you want to crop any image, anything else like an eraser, so you can do this by the using of crop tool. It's pretty much easy. And if you want to increase the, I have already told you about the hardness. Okay. So edit, then revert. Okay. So let me discuss again hardness. Hardness means this is the opacity. Okay, your brush opacity. So let, as you can see here right now, my hardness is 8%. Okay. Let me delete this one. Okay, let me increase my hardness to 40%. I have also deleted this one. Let me make now in it's 63%. Let's delete this part. Let's make it 100% like this. Okay. As you can see, this is one kind of blurriness of your brush. That was only 20%. Whenever I use 20%, this is the output. Whenever I use 40%, this is the output. Whenever I use 80%, this is the output. Whenever I use 100%, that means it's delayed 100%. As you can see, the sharpness. This is 80%, this is the sharpness, as you can see here. This is the only 20%. So I hope you understand about the hardness. Hardness is one kind of blur of your brush. That's it. Do you understand, guys? Hardness. This is important one because always we are working on it. Sometimes we will increase the hardness, we will decrease the hardness regarding to our works, regarding to our project. This is the important one. Okay. So yeah. And background eraser tool. This is one kind of magic tool. As you can see here, if I select this one, then if I click here, it will remove. Okay, let me open an image object related image. Okay. Okay. So I am now in background eraser tool. So let me increase this is the same one as you can see here. So let me increase the size of my brush. It would be like this. If I click here, it will remove my background as you can see here. Okay. This is one kind of eraser tool. So it will, if you have one color background, it will work nicely. So let me try to open an image with one color. Yeah, this one. So if I go here, background eraser tools, if I click here, it will remove as you can see here. It will remove. If I also click here, it won't affect my, as you can see here, like this. This is related to eraser tool. Sorry, that was this one. Edit and revert. Okay. Okay, this is the thing. This is the tool, background eraser tool. Okay. As you can see here. Uh, okay, as you can see here, this is my object, right? This is my object. Okay. If I draw my brush here, whenever I'm working with, if I work with only eraser tool, it will also delete my object area. Let me show you. I am now in eraser tool. If I click here, it will delete my object as well. But whenever I am using background eraser tool, it won't delete my, as you can see, it won't delete my uh, object. As you can see here, it won't delete my object area. So that means it will automatically detect the object. As you can see here, as you can see here, my brush also in this area. My brush position also in this area. As you can see here, whenever I'm clicking here, it won't delete the object. As you can see here, it won't delete the object because object is clear for this tool. As you can see here, my brush also in this object, so it won't delete my object. This is the benefits of background eraser tool. So whenever you have one background, so you can use this. And another one is magic eraser tool. This is another beautiful one. This is a one click. Let me revert. uh, okay, if you want to go back your original image, you have to go file, then you have to click revert. Where is revert, this option, so you will see same as before. Okay. So the another thing is magic eraser tool. This is also a nice tool. As you can see here, this is one kind of one color background. You just need to click one time. As you can see here, let me click one time, it will remove. It will remove. As you can see, done. It's done. But there are some issue, just ignore it because it's do it automatically. Okay. So you just need to click here, you just need to click here. So it will remove easily the background. This is the thing. This is the background eraser tool. Okay, this is also working nice on one color background. If you have one color background image, so let me try to try to open a one color image. Okay, as you can see, this is the t-shirt. The background is in white color. If I one click here, it will magically remove my background, as you can see here, because my background was only one color. Okay, as you can see here, this is the thing. If you have one color background, you can easily use magic eraser tool. Do you understand, guys?
Yes.
Okay, thanks for your response. Okay, gradient. What is gradient? Yeah,
Sorry, sir, can I ask a question?
yeah, sure.
Imagine we have made a logo and we want to use that logo in other pages or posters. So if you want to remove the background, we can use of this tool.
Yeah, you can use these tools. Actually, if you have one color background, so you can use this tool. This is the main thing.
Okay.
If you have one color, solid color background, you can use these tools. Okay.
Is there any way to make it more clean? I mean, with
Yeah.
more details?
Yeah. Okay, let me download the logo. This is good question. Let's do it. Nike logo.
Thank you.
Nike logo. Mm, mm, mm. I need different colors background. Okay. Okay. As you can see that there are 3 types of color. So copy image. Then let's take a new one. Then Control B paste. Okay. So as you can see here, for this logo, Nike logo, there are lots of color, almost 3 color, which is green, gray, white as well. And my logo color is black. So in that case, if I use these tools, magic on tools, so it will only delete the white color area. Okay. So in that case, you have to do it manually. So how can we do this? Maybe you can also use the object selection tools. If you select this one, it will automatically select your object. Okay. Then you can use okay, then you can also use these tools to deselect the area. Let's say I don't need this area, so make sure that your background color is black. Sorry, not for the okay, make sure that you are pressing Alt to deselect. As you can see here, I'm pressing Alt, so it will deselect my area. Press Alt, Alt. As you can see here, this is also selected. I don't need this part. I don't need this part. Okay. I don't need this part as well. So I'm pressing Alt. Okay. Then I am also pressing, I don't need this one. I'm just pressing Alt and deselect the area that I don't need. Okay. Maybe I can press here. Then press. I think now it's selected. Okay. Now you can press delete. Sorry. Okay, this is the selected. I have selected my logo. Okay, what I want to delete the outside area of this logo. So in that case, I need to inverse my selection. So select, then inverse. If I select inverse, then if I press delete, what is wrong? Oh, what is this? Okay, selection, select, inverse, then delete. Okay, as you can see here, it's done. So you can also delete the logo by using of the background by using of the object selection tools. And don't worry about this. In the later, we will use pen tool, which is the important one. If you want to select the manually, so you have to use pen tool. If you want to delete any of object, any of background manually, you have to use pen tool, which is more powerful tools in Photoshop. And we will also each and every time whenever we create poster, whenever we create anything else, maximum time we will use pen tool, which is important one. Okay, in the future. But if you have only one color background, you can do this. You understand?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So yeah, okay. Gradient. Okay, guys, do you have any idea about gradient? What is gradient color? Any answer, guys?
Yeah, it's mixed color and like blurry different color.
Yeah, you're right. So gradient means if I go, and guys, another thing is maybe everyone join my class because you want to be a freelancer or something else, you want to earn money. So in that case, you have you have to research on YouTube, on Google as well. If you have the research, the research behavior, so it will good for you. So let's say I don't know what is gradient color. So in that case, I can ask uh, Google gradient color. Just type gradient color. Okay, that's it. That's enough. Okay, do not type palette. So as you can see here, this is the gradient color. It will show you the gradient color. This is the mixed of color. That Tamana already answered my question. As you can see here, if we see this, there are not only one color. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe there are 4 color. This is the gradient color, mixed of color. Okay. We can also create this type of color on Adobe Photoshop. How can we do this? By the help of gradient tools. Okay. Let me create a new tools, new. Okay. So in that case, I am now in gradient. Okay. If I drag and drop like this, as you can see here, there are 3 colors, which is black, black color, gray color, white color. Okay. So let's say I want to change. I don't like this color. I want to change this color. So as I already told you, each and every tools have their own option. If you focus there, I already told you, if you focus this top bar, top menu bar, if I click now, I am now in selection tools, it's changed. If I click paste tool, it will also change. So each and every tools have their own option. Same as gradient tool. Whenever you click gradient tool, you will see different type of option on the top menu bar. Okay, let's say I don't like this one. So in that case, I just need to click here. Then I can change. There are lots of ready-made, gradient color. Let's say I want this one. So you just need to select this one. Then you just need to drag like this. It will change. Okay. So there are also gradient tools, Windows. Then gradients. Yeah, gradients. Where it is. It should be appear somewhere else. Why I can't see my gradient. Windows. Disappear. Windows. Gradient. Okay, it should be there. Okay, I have. Where is my gradient? Okay, I have layer, adjustment, properties, gradient. Yeah, it is there, I think. No, this is the history one. Oh, sorry, this is on my another screen. I'm using dual screen, that's why. Okay. So yeah. Okay. As you can see here, this is the gradient one. If I go here, then if I deselect this one, it will be disappear. If I go here, then if I click here, it will be appear. So as you can see here, this is the tools. Okay. If I click here, okay, let me check. Is there any? No. Samira Habibi. No, she's not there. Farwa. Nobody is there. There is no assistant in this class. I have already texted Samira. I did not receive any response from her end. Okay. So yeah, as you can see here, if there are lots of lots of ready-made gradient palette here. So let's try this one. Okay, then go to here, then drag and drop. Okay, so let's say I want to change. I want to control this one. How can I do this? You need to double click or no? Gradient. Okay. So you have to click here whenever you click. Not there. Okay. You have to click here. So whenever you click here, this option, let me do it again. Let's say I want to control, I want to change this color. As you can see here, I want to change this color, and this color. So in that case, you need to double click here. Okay. So you just need to double click on here. So pop-up will be open. Then you will see. As you can see here, let's say I want to change this color to black color. Then I want to change this color to red color. Then hit OK. Whenever you hit OK, it will change. It will change. What is wrong with this? Yes. Okay. No, this is the preset one. Option. Cancel. Okay, just hold on. I don't know what's wrong with this. Oh, I think we need to take here. Oh, sir, can I choose black, red, black? Oh, sir, can you choose black, red, green color? Okay, let's choose. Okay, let's say I want to check black, then red. Let's say I want to add another color. Double click on it, then red. Okay, then green color. Okay, if you want to add another color, just click here. Double click on it, then go to green color. Green, then hit OK. As you can see here, I have now black color, red color, and green color. If I hit OK, then if I draw a new one, it will be there. So let's say I want to change, as you can see here, the style. This is the style. This is starting from the center point. Okay, as you can see, this is starting from here. So if you want to change your gradient style, you have to go this option. So if I change this option to this option, it will be gradient. As you can see here, as you can see now, it starts from the top and bottom. If I draw my my cursor from the left to right, it will start like this. Okay, if I start from here, it will do this. So if I want to change this color, another one, so you can do this. Okay, that's it.
Can I ask something, Professor?
Yeah, sure.
So why there's a yellow and orange color in the mixture of this gradient color? I just want to have a black, red, and green. I mean, solid colors.
Okay, I have selected the black one. This is the black color. This is the red color. Okay. Okay, do you need something like this? Okay, I think you need something like this. Okay, wait,
Yes,
hold on.
Professor. Yes. Now you got
I got it.
Do you know why I asked you to choose these colors?
Sorry. Okay, do you need something like this?
Uh,
Black,
Yes.
red?
Yes.
Okay. We can do this by the using of rectangle tools. Okay. So we'll do this later. So we can, for now, we can just do some gradient. By the help of these gradient tools, we can just use, some gradient mix color. If you want exact solid color, you have to use rectangle tools. We'll talk later. Okay. You understand?
All right. Thank you for not letting me down. Okay.
Okay. Because gradient color just mix the color. You won't get the exact solid color. This is the problem. it's mixed the color. That's why. Okay, this is the gradient color tools. I hope everyone understand the gradient tools. So you can change the thing. As you can see here, I have changed this style. There are five types of style. So you can change the style as well. As you can see, here is another style. This is another style starting from the center. This is a linear one starting from the left to right. Okay, any question about gradient tool, guys?
How do you change the style?
Okay, you can change from here. As you can see here, from here. Then double click
Yes,
on it.
it's good.
Yeah, from the top. Okay, any question, guys?
No, sir.
So yeah, play paint bucket tool. This is one kind of painter that we did on our house. Okay, let's say I want to paint this one. So okay, sorry, I forgot to told you about this one. There are there are two colors, as you can see here in the Photoshop. This is the foreground color and this is the background color. Okay, now my foreground color selected red, right? So if I change it to black, so if I do anything else related to color, it will draw red color, sorry, black color. If I change it into blue color, if I do anything related to color. Okay, Morsal, can you check our chat, Google Meet chat?
Yes, Professor.
Yeah. Okay, Femtech asked you to write a report about today's class. Are you able to write a report?
Yes, I can do.
Okay, please reply her. Reply on chat. Okay, so yeah. So foreground color means this is related to your main color. If you do anything related to color, it will be draw, as you can see here. Okay. So let me take a new layer. Okay. Let's say this is, as you can see, there is no color. This box means this is a transparent background because there is no color. Okay. I want to fill my artboard with a color, with one color. So in that way, you can use this one. Just click here, as you can see, it's now filled. Click fill. This is the thing. You can easily fill your background color by using a paint bucket tool. Do you understand, guys? This is the paint bucket tool. You can fill your background color by one click. If I change this color into another one, let's say in this color, so if I click here, it will fill my background like this color. This is the easy one tool. Okay, let's skip this on 3D material tools, drop tools. Let's skip this one. Okay, blur tool. If you want to, okay. Oh, okay. As you can see here, there is a fish. Okay. Let's say I want to blur this fish. Okay. In that way, you can use blur tool. Let me increase the size. Let me make a duplicate layer, drag and drop to see the before and after. So if I draw my let me increase the hardness. So it will blur. As you can see here, it is starting blurring my object, this area. So let me increase hardness to 100%. As you can see here, it's now blur my background. So if I see the before, this is the original one, then after, before and after. Blur tool means it's just blur your object, that's it. So let's say you have an image. Let me open image. Is there an image available? Oh, oh, oh. Okay, let me open this image. Let's say I want to blur this background. That means this part, this part. Okay, how can I do this? You can use blur tool. Okay, drag and drop to make a duplicate layer, that so we can see the before and after. So let's say I want to blur this. As you can see here, this is it's starting blur my background. As you can see here, it's starting to blur my background. This is now it's looking one came to DSLR image. Okay. As you can see here, now it's blur the background as well. So if you want to blur someone else from your image, you can also use blur tool. So let's see before and after, before and after. This is the thing. Do you understand, guys? Okay. The sharper means if you want to sharp any image or anything else, you can do this. Let's say, let's close all of these steps. I don't like this. Okay, close. No, no, I don't want to save any of them. Okay. Okay, let's open this kit. This is looking good. Okay. So yeah, let's say I want to make more sharp of his face. Okay, want to sharp this his face. In that way, in that case, you can use sharper tool. Okay, I have already started draw my sharpness. Oh, it looks. Let me. It looks weird. Okay, let me decrease the hardness to 80%. 80%. So let me draw. So it will make his face more sharper. So I'm drawing my mouse. I'm just draw. Oh, sorry, I forgot to revert. Starting to sharp his face. So I'm now in sharp tool. I have decreased the hardness to 11%. Okay, we see that before and after. This is the original one, before and after. This is the original one. After working with sharp tool, it will make more sharper his face. As you can see here, this is the most sharper. Okay, as you can see here. And this is the sharper tool. If you want to sharp any image, you can do this. Mouse. Okay. As you can see here, it will mouse like it will mix your face or anything else. As you can see here, like this, like this. This is mouse tool. It will mouse your face. So let's say if you want to, let's say I want to mouse this one. So in that case, I can do this like this. So it will mouse your area like this. This is not the important one because we know how to use blur tool. So instead of using mouse tool, we can use blur tool to blur any object or anyone else. This is the thing. This is not the important one. Do you understand, guys?
Yes, sir. I have a question.
Yeah, sure.
Is sharpening the photos like enhancing the photo? Are they the same?
It will enhance your face little bit.
Yes.
So
Is it
whenever,
the same?
sorry,
Is it the same?
sorry, can you repeat your question?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, sure.
I say that is sharpening the photo is the same with enhancing the photo, or there's difference?
Almost same, almost same.
Got it.
Yeah. So this is the okay, and for the sharper tools, we are using sharper from our camera raw filter. In the future, we are not using directly from sharper tool. Okay, there is an option which is camera raw related to photo editing. If I have time, I will also discuss this one. As you can see here, sharper, curve, details. as you can sharpening. We are using these tools. Okay, we are not using the sharper tool to sharpen any image. Okay, we'll use in the later. Okay, not now. Okay, this is not the important one. Okay, so in that class, okay, let's discuss the last topic of this class. This is the most important topic, which is rectangle tools, or you can say vector tools. This is one kind of vector. So let me first of all let me show you some example. So Photoshop design poster. Okay, let me show you. Okay, as you can see here, each and every poster design or banner design, everyone used something like this. As you can see, something like this. It's one kind of a scale. Okay, as you can see, this is a rounded one. This is another one. This is comes from the rectangle tools. This is a rectangle. Okay, this is a rectangle. This is also rectangle. This is also rectangle. So that means if you want to design anything else in Photoshop, it would be flyer or poster. We have proper idea about rectangle tools. If you have proper idea about rectangle tools, we can start our design. This is the main fundamental of design. If you start, if you start designing any flyer or poster, you can do this. And if you start okay, so let me create a new artboard. Okay, let's move forward into our main tools, which is rectangle tools. Okay, as I already told you, if you select any of these tools, the top menu will be changed. Okay, as you can see, this is also changed. This is called fill color and stroke and something like this. So let me explain you what is fill color, what is stroke color. This is important. Okay, I am now in rectangle tools. Okay, as you can see here, rectangles. If you right click on it, you will see other tools, which is ellipse, triangle, polygon, line, custom shape. Okay, so if I draw a shape like this, as you can see here, this is now in this color because our foreground color is in this color. So if I change it to this color, then if I draw another one, it will, oh, why it's not change? It should be change. Okay, so yeah, let me draw another one. Okay, as you can see here, now it's changed. So as I already told you that foreground color, if you want to draw anything new, it will also, the color will select from the foreground color. If I change it to black color, then if I draw another one, what is this? Okay, if I draw another one, okay, black color, then go to this. What is wrong with this? Okay, don't the signal. Okay, it's wrong. This is my foreground black color. You should draw in. Okay, window. Let's. Okay, let's skip this one. Okay, so as you can see here, it is now in blue color. If I want to change this color in blue color to black, you have to click here. Same as gradient tool. Then you have to select the color, as you can see here. Let's say I want to change this color also. Let's say I have a custom color. Custom color means if you type, let's say my client send me some color code. So purple color. Okay, color code. Okay, this is purple color code. Let's say your client sends you to purple color code, so you can just take the color code, copy, then you can also paste here, Control V, then hit OK. As you can see, this is now changed into your custom color. So in that way, you can change color. You have to go here, you have to select this one, then you have to select like this. So this is the thing. How can you change the color? Do you understand, guys? This is the easy process. Just draw your rectangle, go to top menu bar, then you can change your color. Is it clear? Okay. The next option, as you can see, the most important. Let's say I need a what should we call? I need a stroke. Stroke means border. Okay, border. Let's say I want a border. As you can see here, let me delete all of them. Just keep the blue color because I like the blue color. Okay. So yeah. So first of all, I have to go here. Okay. Make sure that you're now in rectangle tools. Then as you can see, this is called stroke. Stroke means one kind of border. If I select this color as a stroke, as you can see here, it will edit this stroke, as you can see here. So if I want to change this color, I have to go again on the rectangles tools. Then I have to change this color to, let's say, change to green color or any pure color like this. This is the thing. This is called stroke color. Okay, you can increase and decrease the size of a stroke. Okay, this is the stroke color. You can also change the stroke, as you can see here, style, as you can see here. And I always like this one. Okay, then if you are using Adobe Photoshop 2021, let me repeat again. If you are using Adobe Photoshop 2021, you will see this type of point, as you can, this type of point on your rectangle. That means if you want to carve the corner, as you can, this is now square. Let's say I want to carve this corner, so you can just do this like this. Okay, you can also do it like this. So if you are using Adobe Photoshop 2021, you have this option. Maybe also 2020, but if you are using 18 or the lower version, you won't get. Yeah, Parisha, please ask your question.
I wanted to ask, can we use of gradient colors in this tool?
Yes, we can. This is a good question. Yeah, we can just click here. Then as you can see, this is the thing. Then we can use cancel, cancel. Sorry, not this one there. This is the thing. Let's say I want to use this, as you can see here. Uh, as you can see here, this is our gradient color. So if you want to use a solid color, where is it? Go to here. Then, okay. So if you want to use a solid color, you need to select this one. So you will see it will filled with solid color. If you want to use solid gradient color, you have to select this one, as you can see here. This one, so it will convert into gradient color. As you can see here, let me do this. Because as you can see here, if we see our, where is my tab? Where is my, okay. As you can see here, they are using gradient color. As you can see here, they are using gradient color in their shape. Okay. So in that way, you can use gradient
Got
color.
it. Thank you.
Yeah. You can use gradient color as well. And the third one is a pattern. You can use any custom pattern. Okay, you can fill with pattern. As you can see, this is a pattern. So let's say I don't want to use any color. I don't want to use any color. Okay, let's say I just need only the border or only the stroke. I don't need any color. So in that case, you can use this one, none. So okay, I am now in, sorry, I am now, let me go to fill color. So I don't need any color. Now it's none. None means there is no color. I also don't want to use any color for a stroke. You can use this like this. As you can see, there is a rectangle, but there is no stroke color and fill color. Okay. You can also control this option from your properties panel. So if you do not have properties panel, just go to window, then select property. As you can see here, this option and this option almost same. Then let's say I want to add a fill color, you can add fill color. Let's say I want to add a stroke color, you can add a stroke color. Is it clear, guys? Fill color, stroke color. Is it clear? Because this is important part. Okay, thanks for your response. Because each and every person using the same thing, as you can see, they just draw a rectangle. Let's try to do this. Okay. Okay. So as you can see, let's try to draw this one. This rectangle. Let's try to draw this rectangle. How can we do this? This is triangle, right? So we can use triangle. Okay. There are lots of things. Elliptical. Okay. What is our example website? I see someone use. Yeah, this one. They are using ellipse rectangle to design like this. They're also using clipping mask. Just skip it for now. Okay, this is the elliptical. This is the same thing. Each and everything is same. If you want to change the color, you can change the color from your properties panel or from the top part. It's up to you. I always use properties panel because it is more flexible for me. Okay, this is the thing. And they are also offering triangle. Okay, they are also offering polygon tool. Okay, then if you only click here, let's say I want to put my own site, so you have to click left click. If you click left click, pop-up will be open. Pop-up will be open, then you can set your width. Let's say I want to width 800 into 200. I want to make some curve, so it's now linked. That means if I change one, if I change this value, it will affect all of my values. As you can see here, it's changed. So if I deselect this one, so if I change this one only 13 14, so it will only affect this one. Then if I hit OK, it will create it. As you can see here, it will create it according to my requirements, according to my site. This is the thing. So we're going to create this type of things, as you can see here. So in that case, we can go here, then we can drag and drop like this. Okay, then this is almost similar, but we need to rotate this one. We need to rotate this. We need to rotate this triangle shape. How can you do this? If you are now, you have to go, if you want to rotate, if you want to do anything related to move, okay, I want to move my triangle into another direction. So in that case, I have to go my move tools. So make sure that you are now in move tools. Then you have to select your object or select your shape. Then if you move your cursor here, you will see this type of icon. You will see here this type of icon. As you can, this type of icon. If you move your cursor or exit this point, so let's say whenever I move this one, exit this point, now it's now in this curve icon. So if I press on left click, then if I move this one, it will rotate. As you can see here, it will rotate. As you can see here. Okay, this is the thing. This is the rotate. Same as any with any image. So let's say this is my image, right? Let's say I want to rotate this image. I can do this. As you can see here, I can do this. This is the rotate tool, which is most important one. Sometime you need. Okay, we are almost there. We are almost there. But the problem is, if we compare with our targeted shape, our target shape is something like this, right? Something like this. That means we need to delete this one, or we need to change this point to this. We need to change this point position from this to this. So how can we do this? if you want to change this point position, or if you want to modify your shape, in that case you need to press alt. Sorry, you need to press okay, rectangle tools. Okay, cancel. Okay, first of all you need to, as you can see here, okay, I am now in my triangle tools. Okay, I have, okay, this point almost there, this is looking good, but we need to change this point to this. We need to change this position, maybe would be same as it is, but we need to, if we change this point to there, so it will look something like this. So in that case, make sure you are now in your triangle tools, then you have to press alter. Sorry, you have to press control. So if you press control, you can change. I'm pressing my control from my keyboard, so I can easily change my position, my pointer position, like this. Then okay. Okay, I also want to change this position as well. So as you can see here, I'm pressing control to change the position. As you can see here, we are almost there. Then you may also change like this, as you can see here. So if you want to change any, as you can see, we're almost same, right? So if you want to change any pointer position, you have to select control. Let me do it again. So yeah, place embed. Okay, this is not working. Place embed. Okay. So as you can see, let's say I want to modify this size. So as you can see, there are lots of point. Okay. This point, this point, this point, this point, this point. If you want to modify this point, you need to press alter control. Then you can do this. As you can see here, I'm pressing control, then I can modify. So I actually did the same thing with my, I'm pressing control to modify the image position direction. So you can do this the same thing. Okay, this is the thing. Do you understand, guys? Okay. Okay, I think, okay, let me show you the another. Yeah.
Sir, teacher, did you just control, not alt?
Sorry?
Did you just press the control, not
Yeah,
alt?
control. I'm pressing control. I am now in move tools, then I'm pressing control. Then I can do this. Okay. You have to press control. That's it. Do you understand, Hadia?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Let me talk the last topic, which is uh, zoom tool. So let's say I want to zoom my canvas, so you can use this tool, zoom tool. If you press alt, it will minus your canvas like this. If you want to, as you can see here, if you want to zoom your canvas, you have to press shift. This is the thing. If you want to minus your canvas like this is a zoom tool. If you want to see the default view, you need to press control and 0, okay, at a time. So this is your default view. This is the thing. Okay, I think that's it for today. What do you think, guys? Should I discuss more topics?
Yes, sir. That's good.
No,
Okay.
sir, that was amazing. Can you please just
Yeah.
repeat?
Sorry.
No, sir, that's enough.
Okay, Morsal, what did you say? Morsal.
Yes, sir, I say that. Can you just recap the title that we have studied tonight? I mean, just the name of tools.
Okay, okay. Okay. There is a question, Zohal Nuri. Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. Can you explain us about Canva app, please, in which way we can design our poster very well? Thank you so much. Okay. I think she is gone. Okay, for Canva app, if you have proper idea about Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator, then we can move forward into Canva app. This is my opinion. Do not go Canva directly because the main thing is Photoshop. If you have proper idea about Photoshop, yeah, sure, I will. If you have proper idea about Photoshop and Illustrator, you can easily use Canva app. So I prefer you as a beginner, do not go Canva because Canva always provide you ready-made template. If you have Photoshop also provide a ready-made template, but if you do not know the basic thing, you can't do this. So you have to know the basic thing about design. You have to create your own template. Then you will be a great freelancer or designer. Do not use any ready-made template as a beginner. This is not good for you. You have to create your own template and people will use your own template. This is called the proper graphic designer. So I prefer always whenever you complete Photoshop and Illustrator, then you can move forward into Canva app to save your time because you have basic idea about design. This is the thing. And for Canva app, you can create a account on Canva. Then there are lots of templates, you can use it. That's it. Okay, can you name the tool that we cover tonight? Okay. So tonight we covered our eraser tool, background eraser tool, magic eraser tool, gradient tools, paint bucket tools. Yeah, sure, I will as an earlier. The problem is, as you already know, that I'm a freelancer, so I'm working with lots of projects. That's why I did not get that time. That's why I'm delayed. And I'm sorry for that. Inshallah, I will try to assign as soon as possible. And I will also maybe upload recap video, second class recap video on my YouTube channel as soon as possible. So inshallah, I'll try. Okay, then we also discuss about blur tool. Blur tool means it will blur any object or anything else sharper. It will make your image, your object more sharper. Smoothed, it will smooth like it will mixed your object or anything else. Then we also discuss about rectangle tools, which is important tools, elliptical tools, which is most important, another one. Then you can change the color from here. You can add a stroke, which means border. And yeah, we also discuss about paint bucket tool. Paint bucket means if you want to fill any background or anything else, you can use it. You can use paint bucket tool. As you can see here, I just click here, it will fill my color as a black color because my foreground color is black. And yeah, that's it. Then rectangle tools. This is the thing. How can we find YouTube channel? Okay. Okay, go to YouTube, then search Arif Remal. Then as you can see, this is my YouTube channel. You have to go YouTube, then search Arif Remal. Okay, then you will get my YouTube channel. That's it. And this is my first class recap video. So I will also try to make the second class recap video and third class as well. Then I will upload in. If you go YouTube and then if you subscribe my YouTube channel, then you will get notification. This is the thing. Any question, guys? And
No, sir, thank you for this session. That was so helpful.
okay, and I highly recommend it to all. Please do my assignment because I spend my time. Okay, time is valuable. Whenever you get work, whenever you're working in professional life, you will understand the timing. Time is important one. Okay, so I spend time with you guys. Okay, that means I I should get a better output from you. So please please do my assignment, everyone. Okay. Then if you are facing any issue, you can ask question on my group, WhatsApp group. You can also directly message me. If I am available, I will respond you as soon as possible. So please do my homework. That's it. And yeah, I think that's it for today. Tamana, Ayub, please go to YouTube, then search iframal. Just do it. This is a simple process. Okay. Okay. So yeah, thank you everyone. Thank you for this for joining today's class. Allah Hafiz everyone and good night.